all that sort of stuff, and I don't know, they're very, very extreme.
Yeah.
I mean, at least try to.
What is black, white, and red all over?
I don't know, a zebra?
Correct. Hold on. I'm an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What am I?
Isn't it a dog? Because the year of the dog, you know?
7.
Yes. What needs to be broken before you can use it?
Snake? Because if you take it with an X, it smells snack, right?
Okay, touch! We do it again!
Just yeah, stay like that. No matter how hard your cheek.
Go! You're supposed to fly back. Your shoulders in
Go
front.
again.
Subject number 4.
Oh, sorry, I got something in my eye.
It's alright. So,